Get the full spa treatment at AA Salon. Our goal is to make you look your best. We're open Monday through Saturday, and walk-ins are always welcome at AA Salon, located at 921 South Highway 160. Call 775-764-1898.
On September 5th, lawyers for Lahaina residents, business owners, told a court that cable TV and telephone companies are allegedly as responsible as Hawaiian Electric for the fires that burned Maui. According to lawyers, cable TV and telephone companies allegedly overloaded and destabilized some of the electric poles throughout Maui. Apparently, the cables were set up and attached in a way that caused strain on the poles, which resulted in them leaning and breaking in the high winds that contributed to the fire in Maui. Lipsmith LLP, a law firm based in Honolulu, proposed a class action against Hawaii Electric and Maui County in the state court in Hawaii. Attorney Graham Lipsmith has now requested that the court add multiple telecommunications companies and public and private landowners to the original lawsuit. Mary Beth Lipsmith, co-founder of Lipsmith LLP law firm, stated, "In a disaster of this magnitude, it takes some time for all the potentially responsible parties to come into focus and be brought into court. Our investigation thus far shows a constellation of many series failures that together led to this horrible tragedy. There were allegations that Lipsmith was seeking extra defendants in the event that Hawaii Electric were to declare bankruptcy. However, they have denied these claims and instead stated that it's trying to get at the root of multiple failures in order to prevent this kind of tragedy in the future. The lawsuit aims towards damages and injunctive relief and also includes a court order to force defendants to address fire risk. However, the amended complaint will still hold the power utilities responsible for the wildfires and accuses them of not only failing to turn off the power during high winds and dry conditions, but also failing to replace old wooden telephone poles that were too weak to withstand 105-mile-per-hour winds, as required by a 2002 national standard. It also accuses the electric company for briefly recharging the lines in parts of Lahaina, as well as blocking evacuation routes as crews tended to down power lines. The amendment to the complaint will add other parties meant to be held responsible as well, such as private and state landowners for not maintaining highly flammable vegetation that ignited the fire and fueled its spread. It also states that the county should have properly maintained vegetation, aggressively reduced non-native plants, and sounded sirens to warn people of the approaching fire. However, John Fisk, an attorney from a California firm who's representing the county, has stated that the ultimate responsibility lies with Hawaiian Electric to properly keep up its equipment in an effort to ensure that lines are not live when there's risk of them being downed or when they are downed.